These ones. You click on it. When you click on it, you scroll up, go to privacy and setting. This privacy and setting. You click on it. When you click on it, you scroll up. You go to setting again. From privacy and setting, you go to setting. This setting, you click on it. From there, you scroll up until you see your Facebook information here as highlighted in green. Your Facebook information as highlighted in green. Now, having said that, you now access your information, activity logging, or Facebook activity, account ownership control, download your information, transfer or copy. You now click on this of Facebook activity as highlighted. When I click, it brings me to this place. Can you see all this application? Can you see them? This application I visited on my phone. Can you see? This application I have on my phone, which I have visited in the recent past. Facebook store all the information and every activity there, including sensitive information that has to do with banking or account details, financial information. It store everything here. The storage is beyond the logo you are seeing, but these are activities on my phone. At least I can highlight, I can see this. This is my Crowd1 account. This Holy Bible. This is one of the application. This is an Airtel application. This is my Luno account. This is my wallet, Bitcoin Luno account. These are everything, every damn thing I have on my phone as I'm doing. Without my knowledge, Facebook is storing the information. Then where do we go from here? You see, this clear history. You have to delete this history first. Hoping it has not been saved in a class somewhere. But this is what you need to do. In as much as you know now, you are aware. You clear this history. You press on it. So you bring it to clear history. To ask you whether you want to clear or settle or cancel it. Now you want to clear it. Click on clear history. Can you see? Can you see where I used to have the logos before? And I have this. You have no availability to show at this time. That means every activities hitherto has been cleared. Now what do I do next? I will go to more option to avoid my application being monitored by Facebook subsequently. I go to more option. Here, I click on it. When I click on it, I go to manage future activity. I've deleted what I have before. Now I want to manage how it's going to work henceforth. I click on it like this. When I click on it, it brings out this. Do I really want to manage it? Look at the one highlighted in blue and circled in green here. I will now press on it. I will click manage. Now, can you see? At the inception, at the installation of this application on my phone, this feature of Facebook activity has been on unknowingly. All I knew that I just signed into Facebook and started using it. So I have to put this on off. Can you see? Still asking me whether I want to turn off. They have to allow. I turn it off. Can you see now? It has been turned off. It does mean going forward, whatever you are doing on your phone cannot be monitored by Facebook. Thank you as you listen and watch, and please pass it to your friends and relatives so that they will have their privacy even on social media. God bless you.